both sides of the water. Tide so low. Foggy, hazy, cold. Last Lossman's Day for quite a while.
Never say never.
Never say never, man. Incredible, huh? Somehow we got out. At least for now. Look at that. The mangroves are already not only exposed, but hanging in the air.
Bro, I don't know where. Oh, this goes so far. We gotta go north and then south. It's like a 20-minute detour easily.
It's been a day of detours. Old Toch would have had himself quite a barbecue with all these curlew. Strange day. Come on, son. I know you want to pop out and warm us up so we don't have to keep relying on you. And all of a sudden, life is building. We got 2 dolphins there balling up and destroying mullet. And those pelicans are checking it out too.
Oh, real heavy.
Yep. Nice fish.
Oh my god.
Giant fish, bro. Giant fish. That's all it takes. One cast.
One cast. Oh, yeah. Oh, you woke up.
Man, oh man, oh man. It's worth losing that one right before.
Yeah, I think this one's bigger.
There's no doubt about it.
What do we have here?
I think it's a giant redfish. It's a giant redfish.
Oh, stay on there. Oh my god, look at the boil.
Dude, it's a giant redfish.
Might be over.
Overslot.
Oh, sharky. Oh.
Come on, man. Don't mess around now.
Don't mess around with this thing, huh? I mean, dude, what a fight this is.
Hey, how long you think you can keep fighting that fish for?
Oh no. Oh no. Just grab the net. Just grab the net. Take your time.
Oh, I got it. Go on, grab the net. It's a nice one. Really nice one.
Oh, dog, it's a really good one. Let's make it count, dog.
That's a really nice fish. It just came from like a nice fish to like a trophy. Look at that boil.
Huge, but it's
So it's in the slot for sure. It's a nice fish, beautiful fish.
no, it's pretty good. Nice. That's a good fish.
Nice
Take
dude.
it, bro. Chicken salad.
That's a nice fish.
Ah.
Good work.
A lot of redfish and the sun came out.
All like that. And now we had a feeling it was gonna be 2 different days. We didn't know that it was gonna take till 11:30 to turn, but it's all right. Better late than never. Here come the fish. Here comes the sun. Tight. Nice red. Nice.
He's tight. Beginning to doubt my fish finding skills here. And then all of a sudden, right?
Absolute calamity for a moment there. That is what it's all about right there. That was National Geographic.
You want this thing or not?
Another red. I'm good, dude. I got a bunch of meat in the freezer. Let it go.
Now,
Wow.
I think we found them. Wow.
Called the shot.
And the artificial is out fishing the chunk fisherman. Oh man. Wow, this is what's up. Yanking on reds with my dog. Oh wow.
Dude, beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful,
Nice
beautiful
and
red.
healthy. Ah, you go. Oh, sucker buster.
In the net.
Woo.
That's right.
Oh, bro, heavy. Heavy.
That's a nice. Feed the family with that.
Feed the family with this one, huh?
Yeah.
Dude. No spots? No spots.
Another no spot.
No spotter. Look at the size of this redfish, huh?
Got to work a little harder than everybody else. That's
Yep.
it.
Awesome, man. That's what it's all about.
Dance. Up. 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 Nasty birds. Get them. That's right. Get them.
Joe.
That's a good dog. Well, he wants the fish I have. Nope.
Okay, you know
As
the
always.
fisherman's handshake, right?
What is it?
This. In time.
Oh, like a flat.
Yeah. Second one is you say tight lines.
Tight lines.
And you go, oh, God.
Ah, you pull them off the dock.
And here, bring this home to mother. This is the farmers. Okay, you roll it to you. You just relax. He gets the biggest smile.
Funny guy.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.